The vastness of the universe is difficult to comprehend. Its billions of galaxies, stars, and planets seem to stretch into infinity. But there is something beneath the surface of all this visible wonder, a hidden fabric, a cosmic web that binds everything together. It is an unseen structure, stretching across vast distances, filling the spaces between the galaxies with an invisible substance. For decades, it eluded our instruments and imagination. Then, the silence was broken. A sudden burst, a flash of energy, pierced through the darkness of space. A brief signal, fleeting but intense, traveling from a distant corner of the universe. These flashes, known as fast radio bursts, arrive in milliseconds but carry the power to light up the entire sky. Despite their short duration, these bursts of energy are capable of emitting more power than our sun in the span of a few days. But what are these bursts? And why do they seem to be coming from places we cannot even begin to understand? It all began in 2007 when a team of astronomers discovered a strange signal buried in old data from the Parkes Observatory in Australia. The signal was unlike anything seen before. The pulse, a millisecond-long burst of radio waves, seemed to defy explanation. It was as if the universe had sent a message, but no one knew how to read it. Over the years, more of these mysterious bursts were detected. Initially, astronomers thought it might be some kind of malfunction, a fluke. Yet the phenomenon was real. With each new detection, the mystery grew deeper. Where are these bursts coming from? Why were they so powerful and so brief? And most importantly, what could they tell us about the universe beyond our reach? As the years passed, the questions only multiplied. Some bursts repeated, others did not. Some came from the heart of distant galaxies, others from the outskirts of smaller, less understood realms. Despite the randomness, one thing became clear. These radio bursts were trying to tell us something. The problem was that we didn't yet know how to understand their message. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, may seem like brief flashes in the cosmic dark, but in fact, they hold the key to a hidden universe, the vast intergalactic spaces between the galaxies. They are more than just signals of energy. They are cosmic probes that travel through the intergalactic medium, an invisible structure of gas and plasma stretching between galaxies, unseen by traditional telescopes. When these bursts of energy travel through the universe, they pass through clouds of ionized gas, invisible to our eyes, but detectable through their effect on the FRBs. The dispersion of the signal, the delay between high-frequency and low-frequency waves, reveals the density and composition of this invisible space. By measuring the way these signals stretch and bend, scientists can now map the intergalactic medium like never before, uncovering the otherwise hidden structure of the universe. It is as if each FRB is a messenger, carrying with it a unique story about the space it travels through. How much matter, how much gas, how much dark matter is contained in the vast stretches of emptiness that make up the spaces between the stars and galaxies. For decades, astronomers struggled to map the universe's largest structures. Galaxies, of course, were visible through their light. But the matter that lies between these galaxies, the intergalactic medium, has long been a mystery. This is where FRBs come in. These bursts pass through the intergalactic medium on their journey to us, and by studying how they are affected by this space, we can understand its density and composition. The cosmic web, as this network of galaxies, gas, and dark matter is called, has long been theorized, but FRBs offer a new, direct way to study it. With each burst, we learn more about the web's intricate threads, how galaxies are connected, how gravity and magnetism weave through space, and how dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up much of the universe's mass, influences the structures that we can see. These bursts act like cosmic time capsules, offering a glimpse into the past. They tell us about the state of the universe at the time they were created, and by analyzing how these signals have been stretched and distorted over billions of light years, scientists can map out the evolution of the cosmic web. This allows us to see the universe not as a snapshot in time, but as a living, evolving organism. One of the most profound discoveries about FRBs has been their ability to reveal the magnetic fields scattered throughout the universe. As these radio signals travel through magnetized regions of space, they become polarized, twisting as they move. By measuring the rotation measure, RM, of these polarized signals, scientists can gauge the strength and direction of cosmic magnetic fields. These magnetic fields, once thought to be largely confined to stars and galaxies, now appear to permeate the entire intergalactic medium. They shape the behavior of gas, influence the formation of galaxies, and even affect the cosmic rays that travel through space. Understanding these magnetic fields is crucial to understanding the larger-scale structure of the universe, how galaxies form, how matter behaves in the vast voids of space, and even how the very fabric of space-time is warped. By studying the magnetism in these regions, scientists can begin to answer questions about how galaxies evolve, how cosmic energy flows, and how the universe's magnetic web is woven together. Every FRB we observe brings us one step closer to unraveling these mysteries. Despite decades of study, the source of FRBs remains one of the most perplexing questions in astrophysics. Some bursts repeat, others don't. Some seem to come from massive, active galaxies, while others emerge from smaller, quieter ones. Theories abound as to what could be causing these bursts. Are they the result of catastrophic events like the mergers of neutron stars? Could they be linked to the mysterious and powerful magnetars? Neutron stars with magnetic fields so strong they can bend space-time? Or might they be produced by exotic, unseen phenomena, black holes, or even other realms of the cosmos we have yet to understand? Scientists are pushing forward in their search for answers, developing new tools and technologies to detect and trace these elusive signals. With the launch of next-generation telescopes like the Square Kilometre Array, SKA, and the CHIME Radio Telescope, we are now able to capture hundreds of FRBs every year, and this flood of data is providing more clues than ever before. But the question remains, what exactly is generating these bursts? The answer could change the way we think about the most energetic phenomena in the universe. Whether it's the death of a star, the collision of neutron stars, or the activity of a magnetar, the origins of FRBs will help us understand the most extreme environments in the cosmos. As technology advances and the understanding of FRBs deepens, we are standing on the precipice of a new era in cosmology. The next decade will likely see a revolution in our understanding of the universe. As more and more FRBs are detected and analyzed. With these new bursts, we can trace the structure of the universe, measure the properties of dark matter, study the magnetic fields that shape galaxies, and even look back in time to the very beginning of the cosmos.